Every Monday morning, AI teams face the same challenge: massive costs, but no clear answers. CEO, we spent $80,000 on AI last quarter. What's the return? The CFO, I only see the bills, not the efficiency. Manager, we can't track usage or team performance clearly. Developer, we waste hours testing prompts blindly. 20 tries for one good result. That means wasted tokens and wasted time. Compliance, and we can't risk leaking sensitive prompts to third-party analytics. Leadership wants ROI. Managers need clarity. Developers need efficiency. And admins demand privacy. But today, none of them have answers. That's why we built DoCoreAI, the first telemetry and optimization platform designed for AI teams. DoCoreAI shows exactly where money is going and where tokens can be saved. Managers see team reports at a glance. No more guessing. Developers track each prompt's performance locally, finding the best results faster. And compliance can relax. DoCoreAI never sends raw prompts outside your company. CFO, now I see where the money goes and how much we're saving. Manager, finally, one screen to track performance. Developer, optimization is no longer guesswork. Compliance, and our data stays safe. Finally, answers we can trust. With DoCoreAI, you're not just spending on AI, you're investing wisely. DoCoreAI, visibility, optimization, and control for every AI team. Book a demo today at DoCoreAI.com.